We're just continuing now. We're just continuing now. Okay, we will now call now the finals MVP. Hulaan nyo kung sino. O, siya na. Okay, we call now the center, Johannes MVP. Okay, congratulations po, of course. We give you the trophy po yan. And of course, meron siyang tableta po, galing po sa Collagen Active. Pangkapogi po yan, pangpaganda at many more. Kala mo! Okay. Okay, thank you po pala po. And of course, again, Johannes. Johannes, come. Okay.
Shoutout sa asawa ko.
Teka, mamaya. Okay.
Shoutout sa salamat pinayagan mo.
Sige. Okay, now group photo na po ng Panda family. It's an all Panda affair po kasi. Walang panalo, walang natalo. Bagkos, ano po, pantay-pantay lang po lamang. Panda family. Ayan. It is a year of pandas po pala ngayon, this year. Year of pandas po, mga year of the pandas. Yan. Nagsimula dati yung kanilang season po dati sa double days po yan. Named as TQ Panda, and now it has grown now exponentially and expanding now its family. Panda family. And thank you very much po sa lahat po, and God bless po sa inyo. Thank you very much po, and thank you. Brad. Interview.
Yung MVP.
Okay, Didi. MVP. Okay, this video po ang 7G Vlogs. Now, yung kanilang finals MVP si Mr. Johannes and yung kanilang ating leader si Mr. Didi. Sir, thank you very much and congratulations po and the best game po sa inyo pong lahat. Sige po sir, tingin po sila ba, paano po sa parang ano po yung third set po? Parang may fourth set nila pero ginawa nyo ng parang talaga. Sige po sir, sige po. Okay.
In the first place,
Sige, lakas po, lakas lang.
Upset kami kasi 7 points ata yung lamang namin.
Yes, it's true.
Nahabol din, nagkaroon ng crucial game. Which is determination talaga yung nilaban namin. Talagang sabi namin kapit lang. And yet, nakuha namin yung champion.
How
Talagang
about-
teamwork talaga.
How about the mindset, sir? Tell me about your mindset right now. Mindset,
lagi
when
lang-
you enter the game.
Yes, as a setter, lagi mo namin advantage as setter.
Oh, dahil kayo kasi yung nasa talaga yung pag-ikakaroon ng play nyo talaga. Pag nagkamali kayo, talaga may hirapan din yung booting.
Usually kasi tinitingnan ko yung Blackrock, sino yung maliit yung Blackrock yung Spiker. Doon ko talaga dinatala yung offense namin.
Okay, good.
That's why nung second set, hindi nila na-anticipate na papapaluin ko si Didi nung last point.
Okay. And of course, nakita po napansin po namin talaga na ika nga, natatago nyo yung sa mga attackers nyo. Puro sa 4 lahat eh. Likewise, the likes of Mr. Brent, si Reds. Di ba nakilang 4 siya?
Like what I said before,
Yes.
yung Blacker talaga kasi nakikita ko mas advantage yung Spiker namin over the Blacker.
Okay.
That's why pinipilit ko doon kasi kung dadalhin ko sa open, malalaki yung Blacker namin. Kasi
Oh, talaga ano.
nandun si Reggie, medyo malakas
talagang
tumalong
ano.
si Reggie. So dito medyo advantage kami kay Miggy.
Oh, yun ang kumakala sa kabila si Reggie din eh. Okay, Mr. Didi naman po, as a team owner po, or let's say stakeholder po ng Team Panda, I think you're smiling right now and of course, para di ka, nabunutan ka ng tinik ngayon. I think this is the year na, the year of the Panda. Any word po sir sa supporters nyo right now? This will be also broadcast po sa YouTube channel ko po talaga.
Siyempre,
Sige.
una-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Johannes. At
Okay.
sa mga team members namin ng buong Panda family. To Jalex, this is for you.
Okay,
This is
yan,
for
Jalex, Coach Jalex po.
Siyempre, it's a matter of whoever wakes up nicely talaga. And I think yung 3 sets namin, hindi basta-basta yun na win.
Oh, talaga. Halatado talaga.
Pinaghirapan namin at maganda talaga ang pinakita ng bawat team. Congratulations again to the whole Panda family.
Okay, okay now. Any plans now for the future po? Yan, what's your future plans daw? Of course, as a
Stay
stakeholder
tuned.
po talaga.
For sure, marami kaming upcoming activities at saka mga sasalihan namin ng mga liga.
Okay, with the po, sir, Johannes, any word po, last word before we go now?
Shout out lang sa...
Pamilya, okay.
Sa
Of course,
family
nakalimutan natin. Loved ones, families,
Salamat sa
friends,
asawa,
supporters.
pinayagan niya
Tapos, sige po.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Sige po, yun lang. 1 minute, pre. 1 minute yan. 1 minute yan. Oh. Lahat.
Quezon family, sa
Okay.
family ko sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
And dito sa work, sa volleyball community dito.
Yes.
And pwede po mong...
Okay, sige.
Salamat expats family.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, expats, volleyball team.
Thank
And
you
of
so
course,
much.
kay
Thank you
Didi
so
Mike
much.
ng team stakeholder. Yan.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Stay tuned, guys. Salamat all volleyball
Okay.
players. Sa
Okay,
Doha,
thank you.
Thank you so
Okay,
much for supporting.
the year of the panda is in.
Thank you.
Okay.
KSL, thank you so much.
Panda na, parang naging household name na po yan. Okay, of course, Irvin, halika. Hindi, ha? Halika. Veteran, halika rito. Irvin, Sir Irvin, of course, isang stakeholder. Ito, one of the founding. This is Irvin po, one of the founding members of Panda family. Okay, Sir Irvin, yan. Thank you Panda Days, yes, nung double league pa. Sir, any word po, sir, sige po. Any word, sige po. Ano yung masasabi sa nilaro niyo po? And of course, yung mga quality games po ng both teams po.
Actually, nalate ako ng game, pero since nalate ako, hindi ko talaga nakita yung first set. Pero tiwala.
23-25.
Tiwala ako
Pupukan sila.
na magagawa nila at magsa-champion talaga kami. And,
Okay.
maganda yung nakita lahat ng team list.
Okay, that's si Irvin po, yung kanyang congrats po, sir. Of course, sino pa? Si Paolo, the family man. Anong wala? Okay.
Salamat, champion kami, Panda.
Okay, Panda. Okay, thank you po. And sino pa to? Si Michael. Nagdagdanan ng mga ng mga dating puntos sa last points po. Yan, sige po. Any word po, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you very much, Mike. Video po. Congratulations, Panda family. Maraming salamat po. And again, thank you very much. And see you again po for the next season po ng Qatar Spikers League. Thank you very much po and goodbye. 3, 2,